Good day, fellow scientists! I am your science teacher, Teacher Catherine, and for today, we'll be having an experiment. Experiments about what? Okay, so we will be having an experiment about the basic items that we usually use in our home. And today, it is a wonderful day to start a new experiment. So without further ado, let's introduce the basic items that we usually use in our home. So the first one, we have the acetic acid. This one. So this is an example of an acetic acid. We have the vinegar. So vinegar, we usually use this as a sauce in grills. And usually, they taste what? They taste sour. And another one. So the second one, we have here the baking soda or the sodium bicarbonate. And this baking soda, I know that you are really familiar with it. And this is usually used in baking pastries or bread. And as we all know, baking soda or the base, they usually taste bitter. And this one is an acid, so they usually taste sour. So you may wonder, so what's our experiment? Okay, wait. So our experiment is about these two items, the acid and then the base. I'm curious, are you also curious? What will be their product or what will be the reaction that will occur if we mix these two items? So without further ado, let's do the demonstration. But before we proceed, safety first. Always make sure that if you are in the laboratory, you should wear your lab gowns. Always make sure that if you have gloves, you should wear gloves. And you should also not forget, if you have goggles, you should wear your safety goggles.
And the last one, you should tie back your hair.
And we're done. We're ready to proceed to our experiment. So, we're ready. So we have this glass and let's open up this vinegar or acetic acid. So I already opened our baking soda and let's add some acid into our glass. And to make the reaction colorful, let's put some food coloring in it. Observe what will happen if I add this baking soda or our base into the acetic acid. Observe. And that's it. You see that? That's the answer to our question. What have you observed? Yes, it bubbles. Do you hear the hissing sound? If you hear that hissing sound, it means that it bubbles. So why does it bubbles? Why does it occur? And what is the name of its product? Bubbles form when you mix vinegar and baking soda because of a chemical reaction that produces carbon dioxide gas. When acetic acid and sodium bicarbonate are combined, they react to produce carbon dioxide gas, water, and sodium acetate. The carbon dioxide gas forms bubbles that rise and move around in the liquid. But there's more. I know you want more. You may be curious, what's the use of this balloon? Okay, so what will happen to this balloon if we trap all the carbon dioxide that will occur in this experiment? So with that, we will use this bottle. So we will pour the acetic acid in this bottle. So next, we will be adding some baking soda into this balloon. And we will put it right here. And observe what will happen to the balloon. Loma. See that? That's the reaction. Here, we trap all the carbon dioxide that occur in this reaction. So that's it. Hope you learned something in this video. If you want to try this at home, please always make sure you always have your parents' advice. Okay? Make sure to like this video.